Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
One person was talking to himself.
What happened? What are you thinking?
I am afraid the sins I have done. What will I answer to God on Day of Judgment? My beloved, please go to Lady Fatima Zahra, daughter of Prophet Muhammad, and ask her the question that whether I am counted as your follower.
This cloth has come from Egypt and this one has been brought from Yemen.
Very nice clothes. Where is that cloth from? Hello, sister.
Hello, my sister.
Where are you going in such a hurry?
I have some very important work, so have to go on time.
This shop has great stuff. Let's buy together.
Maybe some other day. I'm in a hurry. My husband has asked a question that I have to ask Lady Fatima Zahra, the daughter of the Prophet.
All right. Goodbye.
Who is it? I am the wife of a Muslim and I have come to ask a question from the daughter of the Messenger of God.
Wait a minute.
Peace be upon you, daughter of the Messenger of God.
Peace be upon you and your family. What can I do for you?
My husband has asked, am I one of your followers or not?
Tell your husband to do what God has told him to do. If he is following it and abstaining from deeds that God has commanded you to abstain from, then he is a Muslim and one of our followers. And if he is not doing this, then you aren't one of our followers.
What happened? What did the daughter of the Messenger of God said?
Fatima Zahra said that I should tell my husband that if you do what God has commanded you to do and abstain from what he asked for, then you are a Muslim and one of their followers. And if you don't, then you are not one of them.
Who is he that is not defiled with sins? If my sins are not forgiven, then I am not a Muslim and one of the followers of the Prophet and its household. If I did not become one of their followers, I would be doomed to hell forever. What should I do?
Don't worry. Islam is a religion of forgiveness. I will go again to the daughter of the Messenger of God, and I will ask her about it.
Peace be upon you.
Peace be upon you, daughter of the Messenger of God. My husband is very sad to hear your answer. What do you say about that?
Tell your husband that this is not what he is thinking about. Our followers are only the people of paradise. But our sinful followers will be caught up in the troubles and calamities of this world. And because of the trauma they will see on the day of resurrection, their sins will be forgiven. There are many ways in Islam to reduce sins. One is to confess one's mistakes and seek forgiveness from Allah. It has been said 1,000 times in the Quran that Allah is the acceptor of repentance and the most merciful.